Hello everyone, I am Navin Kumar. Since a while I was thinking to tell stories. Some of them written by me, some of them are my favorite. I thought, why don't I start a podcast? So here I am with my first podcast. From today, every week, I'll be sharing a story in the form of podcast. I hope you will love my stories. Let's begin from today. The first story is about gratitude. And the story goes like this. There was a bird who lived in a desert, very sick, no feathers, nothing to eat and drink, no shelter to live in. Its life was terrible. One day a dove was passing by. So the sick, unhappy bird stopped the dove and inquired, "Where are you going?" Then the dove replied, "I am going to heaven." So the sick bird said, "Please find out for me when my suffering will come to an end." The dove said, "Sure, I will do." And the bird said, "Thank you." And the dove bid a goodbye to the sick bird. The dove reached the heaven and shared the message of the sick bird with an angel in charge at the entrance gate. The angel said, "For the next 7 years of its life, the bird has to suffer like this. No happiness till then." The dove said, "When the sick bird hears this, he will get disheartened. Could you suggest any solution for that?" The angel replied, "Tell him to recite this verse. Thank you, God, for everything." The dove came back and met the sick bird again, delivered the message of the angel to recite the verse, "Thank you, God, for everything." After 7 days, the dove was again passing by and saw the bird was very happy. The feathers grew on his body, a small plant grew upon in the desert area, a small pond of water was also there. The bird was singing and dancing cheerfully. The dove was astonished by this nature. The angel had said that there would be no happiness for the bird for the next 7 years. With this question in the mind, the dove went to visit the angel at the heaven's gate. The dove put forth his query to the angel. "You said the bird will not have no happiness for the next 7 years, but the bird is happy." Then the angel replied, "Yes, it is true. There was no happiness for the bird for the next 7 years, but because the bird was reciting the verse, 'Thank you, God, for everything' in every situation in his life, its life has changed. When the bird fell down on the hot sand, it said, 'Thank you, God, for everything.' When it could not fly, it said, 'Thank you, God, for everything.' When it was thirsty and there was no water around, it said, 'Thank you, God, for everything.' Whatever the situation, the bird kept on repeating, 'Thank you, God, for everything.' And therefore, the 7 years got dissolved in 7 days. When I heard this story, I felt tremendous shift in my way of feeling, thinking, accepting, and the view of the life. I adopt this verse in my life. Whatever the situation I faced, I started reciting this verse. Thank you, God, for everything. It helped me to shift my view from what I did not have to what I have in my life. For instance, if my head pains, I thank God that rest of my body is completely fine and healthy, and I notice that all headache does not bother me at all. In the same manner, I started using this verse in my relationship with the family, friends, neighbors, colleagues, finances, social life, businesses, and everything which I can relate. I stayed this with everyone I came in touch with, brought a great shift in their behavior too. This simple verse really had a deep impact on my life. I started feeling how blessed I am, how happy I am, how good life is. The purpose of the sharing this message or this story with you all is to make us aware of how powerful the attitude of gratitude is. It can reshape our lives. Let's recite this verse, "Thank you, God, for everything," continuously to experience the shift in our lives. So be grateful and see the change in your attitude. Be humble and you will never stumble. Happy listening.